Ford just pulled off something that seemed impossible in today's truck market, creating a hybrid pickup that combines genuine all-wheel drive capability, competitive towing capacity, and fuel economy that rivals compact sedans. If you've been watching truck prices climb into the stratosphere while fuel costs drain your wallet every week, the 2026 Ford Maverick Hybrid is about to change everything you thought you knew about affordable truck ownership. While other manufacturers force you to choose between capability and efficiency, this hybrid delivers both without compromise, proving you don't need to spend $50,000 to get a truck that actually works. All-wheel drive revolution. Ford listened to its customers and finally delivered what the Maverick Hybrid needed the most. Whether you're navigating snowy roads during winter commutes or heading down muddy trails for weekend adventures, this system ensures power reaches all four corners when needed most. Unlike basic all-wheel drive setups found in crossovers, Ford engineered this configuration specifically for pickup truck duties. What makes this achievement even more impressive is how the system maintains the Maverick's efficiency advantage. The all-wheel drive components integrate seamlessly with the hybrid powertrain, which means you're getting the security of all-wheel traction without constantly paying the fuel penalty. The system operates intelligently, sending power rearward only when necessary. Picture this. You're pulling into a construction site after a rainstorm or backing a boat down a slippery launch ramp early in the morning. These are moments where two-wheel drive leaves you stuck and frustrated. That's exactly where the Maverick's all-wheel drive configuration proves its worth, delivering confident grip that keeps you moving forward when other compact trucks are spinning helplessly. For camping trips, hunting excursions, or accessing remote job sites, the Maverick Hybrid delivers performance that exceeds what most buyers expect from an affordable compact truck. Towing capacity unlocked. And speaking of capabilities that exceed expectations, all-wheel drive opens the door to another feature that was previously off-limits for hybrid truck buyers: competitive towing capacity. The introduction of all-wheel drive for the Maverick Hybrid unlocked another critical capability: maximum towing capacity that puts this compact truck on equal footing with more expensive alternatives. Before all-wheel drive became available, the front-wheel drive hybrid offered modest pulling power that limited its utility. Now, with all-wheel drive equipped, the Maverick Hybrid achieves up to 4,000 pounds of maximum towing capacity. That figure matches what you'll get from the turbocharged gas-only version, meaning you no longer have to sacrifice towing ability to gain hybrid efficiency. For context, 4,000 pounds is enough to pull small boats, utility trailers, camping trailers, or enclosed cargo trailers with ease. What's particularly impressive is how the hybrid powertrain actually enhances the towing experience. The electric motor provides instant torque at low speeds, which makes getting heavy loads moving feel effortless compared to gas-only alternatives. When merging onto highways or climbing grades with a trailer behind, the electric assist delivers smooth, confident acceleration that never feels strained. Fuel efficiency domination. And when we talk about fuel efficiency, this is where the Maverick Hybrid truly separates itself from everything else on the road: class-leading fuel efficiency. Here's where the Maverick Hybrid truly dominates its competition: fuel economy numbers that completely rewrite expectations for pickup truck ownership. While other compact trucks struggle to break 25 miles per gallon combined, the Maverick Hybrid achieves EPA estimated ratings of 42 miles per gallon city, 35 miles per gallon highway, and 38 miles per gallon combined with front-wheel drive. Even with all-wheel drive equipped, the figures remain at an impressive 40 miles per gallon city, 34 miles per gallon highway, and 37 miles per gallon combined. Real-world testing consistently shows the Maverick Hybrid achieving or exceeding its EPA estimates, with some drivers reporting over 40 miles per gallon in mixed driving conditions. The hybrid powertrain operates seamlessly, with the transition between electric and gas power happening so smoothly that most drivers never notice. At lower speeds and in stop-and-go traffic, the electric motors handle most of the work, allowing the gas engine to shut off completely and save fuel. What's particularly appealing for truck buyers is that this efficiency doesn't come at the expense of utility. The Maverick Hybrid still offers a functional 4.5-foot bed, adequate payload capacity, and that previously mentioned 4,000-pound towing capacity with all-wheel drive. Styling and interior upgrade. But impressive efficiency means nothing if the truck doesn't look the part. Which brings us to the styling updates that have transformed this compact pickup. Modern and attractive look. The recent refresh brought significant styling improvements that transformed the Maverick's appearance. Where the original design felt somewhat plain and utilitarian, the updated version showcases bold, contemporary styling that commands attention on the road. Up front, the revised grille design creates a more aggressive stance, incorporating Ford's latest design language that ties the Maverick visually to its larger F-Series siblings. The updated headlight clusters feature modern LED elements, providing both improved nighttime visibility and a more premium appearance. From the side profile, the Maverick strikes an ideal balance between truck toughness and urban maneuverability, with body sculpting along the doors and fenders adding visual interest. Nobody wants to climb into a truck that feels cheap and plasticky, especially when you're spending close to $30,000. The Maverick addresses this concern with an interior that punches well above its price point. Panels align properly, switches operate with satisfying precision, and materials feel durable without looking budget grade. Higher trim levels add genuine refinement with upgraded seat materials, ambient lighting, and premium audio systems that transform the cabin atmosphere. Comprehensive safety suite. Of course, a great-looking truck needs to keep you protected, and that's exactly what the comprehensive safety package is designed to do. Standard equipment includes pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, which monitors the road ahead and can apply brakes automatically if a collision appears imminent. The lane keeping system combines lane keeping alert and lane keeping assist to help drivers maintain proper lane position. Auto high beams automatically toggle between high and low beam settings based on traffic conditions, while the standard rear view camera makes parking and backing maneuvers safer. Available upgrades expand the safety suite significantly. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality maintains set distances from vehicles ahead even in heavy traffic that requires complete stops. Evasion assist can provide steering support to help drivers avoid obstacles when emergency maneuvers become necessary. Unbeatable value. But all these safety features wouldn't matter much if the truck was priced out of reach, which makes the value proposition even more remarkable. Unbeatable value. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of the Maverick Hybrid is its pricing strategy. Starting at just $28,145, this truck undercuts every competitor while delivering more standard features and better fuel economy than alternatives, costing thousands more. Consider what you're getting for that entry price: a genuine pickup truck with hybrid efficiency, modern safety features, and usable capability that covers the needs of most truck buyers. The standard equipment list includes items that competitors charge extra for, such as the large touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, and multiple USB ports. Even as you move up the trim ladder, the Maverick maintains strong value propositions. The XLT adds features like 17-inch aluminum wheels, cruise control, power tailgate lock, and power exterior mirrors. For just over $32,000, the Lariat trim brings leather upholstery, heated seats, and premium audio, while still staying well under $40,000 fully equipped. Compare those figures to midsize trucks that easily exceed $45,000 for similar equipment levels, and the Maverick's appeal becomes crystal clear. The 2026 Ford Maverick Hybrid stands as proof that truck buyers no longer have to compromise between capability and affordability. With its newly available all-wheel drive system delivering confident traction, 4,000 pounds towing capacity, and fuel economy hitting 40 miles per gallon combined, this compact pickup rewrites the rulebook for what's possible at under $30,000. The updated styling gives it road presence that belies its budget-friendly pricing, while comprehensive safety features and a surprisingly refined interior make every drive feel more premium than the price tag suggests. For anyone who's been watching truck prices spiral out of control, the Maverick Hybrid delivers exactly what the market desperately needs: genuine truck utility wrapped in a package that won't drain your bank account.